Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. In this one, I am going to introduce you to a platform that lets you earn money while trekking. Yes, while walking with your leg, you earn money for trekking. so it's sort of beneficial to those that like trekking a lot. You could actually log into the app during your gym session, so you could actually keep making money walking. That's one of the reasons. So I told you subscribe to my channel. Guys, here's the plan. My Sweatcoin. You can see that today alone I've been able to make up to 10,000 steps. That means I've trekked up to 10,000 steps today, and you can see this converts to Sweatcoin, which will be launching very soon in the month of September. 1,000 steps yields up to 1 Sweatcoin. So this practically implies that from here I have up to 10 Sweatcoins, which will be added to my balance after the day runs down. So what you have to do is to simply follow the link which I will put in the description, click on it and sign up using your email. After that, you have to download the app and then log into the app using the details you have created. That is your email. All right, so what you have to do is just to open the app daily. Open the app, then you minimize it while you continue with your daily activities. All right, you see the steps being recorded on its own without you performing any other additional task. So you can do this daily every 24 hours so that you keep accumulating Sweatcoin. Remember, this coin will be launching very soon in September, and we are quite hopeful that it will yield something meaningful. Alright guys, so kindly subscribe to my channel so that you continue to get relevant updates that will help you gain financial freedom without stress. Thanks.